Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be bringing you the unboxing and setup for the Galaxy Buds Live. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it to a Samsung Galaxy phone as well as any other Android. And the Android one should be similar to iPhone as well, but we'll go over everything. Now I did get the Black Mist, I believe it's called, Galaxy Buds Live, so I cannot wait to see just how they look. Now the big thing about these ones are they're the first Samsungs with active noise canceling, and you also have really good mics supposedly for phone calls. Pretty good battery life, 6 hours if you are using active noise canceling, 21 if you're not, and then all the way longer if you have the case, of course, having multiple charges. So let's go ahead and see how it is. And these are one of the very few ones that are wireless charging. So not all true wireless headphones are wireless charging. Samsung has made it a key selling point on theirs though, so that is really nice. And right away, this box and color is just gorgeous looking. I really do love this style. It just really looks great. You have the Type-C to use for normal, but if not, you always have wireless charging. And there we open them up. I see they're already trying to connect to my Samsung phone over there, so I will set those up. But yeah, definitely curious to see how they look and feel. And really want to hear you guys' opinions on the look up close now. Let me know what you guys think. I think they really do look nice together. So can't wait to test these out, which I will shortly. But let me also check what's in here, because I'm guessing they're different fittings. Or no. Oh yeah, okay. So you have the Type-C connection, and then really hidden in this box, you do have the little rubber parts. And I recommend actually adding these on, because a lot of people don't know, the ones that you have on there are decent, but these will not only help you grip better, but it'll give you better noise canceling. So that's one thing that I've had people say, like, oh, well, the noise canceling's only okay. Yeah, but if you use these tips, it's actually going to be better because it's more isolating. So I will go over that as well, and let's show you how to pair them. Alright, so now first we're going to show you how to do it with Samsung, and then we're going to show you how to do a regular Android device. So with Samsung, it's pretty easy. You just open up, and it appears right there. So very simple, very quick and easy. Just connect, and it will install the Galaxy Wearable app if you don't have it. If you do have it though, it will have it update. So now we're installing the Galaxy Buds Live, and the app is updating with this device. Go ahead and click next. It tells you how to wear them, so kind of where you want to get the best for your angle, and that's it. So pretty easy, obviously, to get to them set up. When it comes to the earbuds, you do have a software update right when you get these devices, so make sure to do that, and then you'll be able to more easily get your phone at the optimum performance. So I'm going to go ahead and update it, and then I'll show you how to connect to these. Okay, so for the purposes of this, I turned the Bluetooth off on here, so now we'll just be connecting to these. Now, as you'll notice with regular Android, it does not come up automatically, so we're going to want to hold the Bluetooth and then try to pair it. This is already trying to connect to it again, so let's close that and then see if we can find them. So they're just right here, and now they're paired and ready to go. However, if you do want to get more functionality out of these, you are going to want to download the Galaxy Wearable app, and you can just go into the Play Store and download it, and I believe the top one would be it. Yep, there they are right there. and then it'll automatically have you download the plugin for this specific model. So just tap these, just have to allow. And like I said, it'll find the right plugin for you, so you don't have to find it if you don't want to go through all of that. And then I'll just go back. And then you just want to allow it to check your notifications, that way it can read it to you if you want to. And now you're all set. So that's how you do it on a Samsung device as well as a stock Android device. Hopefully this does help you out. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.